Okay, we have our head here, and we sanded it down, then we went in and touched up what needed to be touched up, and then we went over the whole thing with 220 grit sandpaper to give it a final sanding. So now we're ready to paint. We're going to put a base coat of paint on it. First thing we do is take a damp cloth and wipe everything off before you start painting, so you get all that dust off of there. So we got the head, got the hands here, and we got the chin and the lower mouth, and the back of the head. So we're going to use a white base paint for our base. Just any craft store, Walmart, Target, you can get this there. So we're going to put a first coat on, then we'll probably take 220 grit sandpaper and lightly sand it in a few spots. And then give it a second coat, and by that point we should be pretty much ready to start putting on color. So I'm just going to brush this on, and I covered up my stick so I don't get paint on my stick. So like I said, I'll just brush this on to start with. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. But again, we're going to start in the center and work our way out. Get the idea here. It normally takes 2 coats of my base. So we're going to paint the head, the hands, the mouth, the back of the head, and then we'll come back with our next step. Thanks for watching.